Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3 with using your Android device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel, so right here at the top we can see a battery level. The second one is to go to settings, connected devices, and right here we can also check a battery level, and in some phone we can also check a case level right here in the settings. And the third one is to use an application, so just open it, and right here at the top we also can see a battery level of the left one and right one earbuds, and of a charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!